tops. Look who's here, Glory. Glory, what did you do here? What did you do here? No, 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 no. Come on. Step up. Look. Yeah, we're preparing the meal of the day. This is sweet potatoes. Here's apples. And here's Glory in the middle, so we have to juice the apples. And we're gonna cut these all apart and then we're gonna bake them. Glory! And Glory is happy. Hi! And then in here, in the bird room, hi! Where are they? Ah, there's Angel and Hopi. Oh! They're in the bird room on the other side. Yeah, just playing. Happy birds. Happy birds! What are you doing, Glory? You want to help me in the kitchen? You want to help me? Or you want to make a mess? Oh, and this is their dinner. I mean, their breakfast. They just had breakfast. You want to help me? Take a bite out of a sweet potato? Is it yummy? Good. Yeah, that's a lot of vitamin D for you in the sweet potato. Oh, you have to eat it, not just break it. Glory, you want to eat it, not just break it? Yeah, she's just playing with it. See, she doesn't eat it. She just rip it apart. Okay, come on. Come on, Glory. Come on. Come on. You want this? You want this? You do? You do, Glory? Yeah? No, don't start another one. Here, take this. Yeah. Is this yummy? Is this yummy? Good. Now she's kind of like eating it, playing with it. Is that yummy? Good. I'm happy if my birds eat veggies because veggies is good for them. Healthy. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Yeah. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah. You're so cute. Take another one. You want to hold it by yourself? No. Hi, Glory. Here. Alright, I'm happy if she eats it. Even like it doesn't look like she's eating. No, that's a scissors. Not a toy. So she kind of bites off the best part. You're biting off the best part. Yeah, you're happy. You're happy, Glory. You're so gorgeous. You're so gorgeous. Yeah. Come on. Right. Right. Oh, she started a new one. No, don't start a new one. Come on. Here, take this one. Come on. Let's put you on your swing. Right there. Good. Oh, look who's here. Hi, love. And you can get this. Got it? There you go. There you go.